Hi everyone, and welcome to day 3 of the FlyLady cleaning and decluttering challenge for the whole month of February. Okay, what am I doing today? I am starting in the kitchen because there's a couple of cabinets that I want to declutter in there. But before we do that, I'm going to start with the dishes because I just cooked dinner and I want to make sure everything's clean, getting into those cabinets and decluttering some stuff. Okay, so let's get started. I just changed out my bed, my sheets, and everything to clean bedding. And yeah, I know, already using the bed. So that's why I buy cheap bedding for everyday use, because these two live on the bed or on the couch as well. Okay, so the stove is clean. Guys, I actually just clean this on a daily basis. I wipe everything down. I know I'm going to get comments, oh my God, your kitchen is so cluttered. But guys, this is functional for me. I have all my spices in front of me, everything that I need. I've got my oil, I've got my olive oil, I've got my flour, I've got my rice, I got my utensils, and some decor pieces. So see, all of this works for me because I don't have to open any cabinets. I don't have to be looking for any spices. Everything is here. Here's my 1930 recipe box and my vintage timer. And then I have here a cookbook that I love to see. That cookbook was published the year that I was born. We have the toaster oven. And then over here, I'm going to change this area back the way it was. Of the winter kitchen vignette yesterday. So this tray actually goes over here. So I'm going to put all that back because I really cannot keep this tray here. Because you guys know, this is where I do all of my DIYs. Plus we have here a stool if you want to sit down and eat breakfast, or drink a cup of coffee. Or so yeah. This was in the hallway. I put it here under the counter here, and I'm loving this. You remember my Coca-Cola tray? That was a thrift find, so I actually put it on this table. But I do want to empty everything that's under here, and let me tell you why. I got this tray at the Dollar Tree, and then I have over here that I want to remove. I have all this vintage kids play set. See, these are for little kids. So I actually want to put it on that bottom shelf there, because I have a granddaughter that's a year and a half old, and I want her to be able to go there and grab these things and play with them. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. That way she'll know exactly where it is when she comes over, and she can play with it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at all the little cookie cutters. Look at this. They don't make kids play sets like this anymore. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to arrange that for her in this tray, and then I'm going to remove the stuff that's there. Oh wow, my Juju is gonna love her little setup here that she can come and play. So glad I did that for her. Can't wait for her to come over. Okay, so this is the cabinet that I want to declutter. I'm gonna leave these dishes here. I want to move this stuff to this side over here, because a lot of this stuff I'm not keeping. So let me take everything down, separate what I'm not keeping, and then let's see if I can bring some stuff from the hallway into these cabinets and clear out the hallway. Okay, so I removed all of this from these two spaces. And what am I keeping? I don't think I'm keeping anything. So I have a basket here, and I'm just gonna put it in this basket because all this is gonna get donated. I've never ever used these bowls. I don't even know where they came from. I'm not gonna keep this. 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 I'm not sure if I think I'm going to keep these because I do use these. And I am going to keep these. So I got these when I do cooking videos, so I can show you what I chopped for the ingredients that you'll need. So I'm going to keep that. Get rid of this. You know, this comes with the rice maker, and I never ever use it. I have my own little cup that I use. These, I'm going to keep these. And what's here, I am going to keep this, because that's how I refill my oil and my vinegar, using this. And then, I don't know, all of this, bye-bye. Okay, so let me clean these cabinets here, and then I'm going to try to move stuff this way. Now we're in the hallway, and I want to show you that I want to get rid of this piece of furniture that I have here. I want to go through these pieces and figure out what I'm going to keep. And what I'm going to keep, I'm just going to put in this other cabinet that I have here. So, I use these so much, guys. I collect these, but I also use them on a daily basis. Okay, so I want to move these over there to the kitchen where I emptied out those spaces. Okay, so far looking good. I also have this one, but I've started to pick up this pattern if I see it in a good price for my daughter, so she can have her sets, because these are great for the oven to serve food. I really enjoy mine. I use mine a lot. So this I'm going to put away somewhere else so I can collect those for my daughter. This, I only have this one. I wasn't able to get the pieces. This I'm going to store somewhere else. And I want to keep this Corningware because this was my mother's. I don't really use it because it's very heavy. This Corningware was my mother's, so I'm going to keep that. Now let's go to the hallway and get rid of that cabinet. Rosemary, if you're watching, you are so right. We remember this wooden filing little cabinet. I actually put it on top of this other cabinet here that I have in the hallway, and I used it to put my vintage choppers here, as you can see, and some more vintage decor. So don't look at the wall because I'm not done with the wall. But so far, I'm happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the things that I no longer want. I just got a butter dish that I like a lot better than this one. So I'm going to put that one to donate. I like these bowls. Cabinet here. We emptied out all the vintage Pyrex servers, so I have room in here to put them in, and then what doesn't fit here, I'll just add it to the china cabinet. So this is the stuff that I'm going to have to place for right now in the china cabinet. So let's see how we can place these items in here. Okay guys, so that worked. For now I was able to put a lot of pieces in here. So that worked out good. I have all of these items that I'm going to donate, except these two vases, except this because this was my mother's. And yeah, I want to keep that, and I use it for all my parties. So these I'm going to donate. This I'm also going to donate. Bye cabinet. I want a nice free hallway. Look at this. Still have my fresh poinsettia and it's still alive. Okay guys, so I'm going to say goodbye here. Thank you so much for joining me. I got a lot accomplished. I need to work for a couple hours on my business, and then I'm going to come back and do day 4 because I want to sweep and mop the kitchen and the hallway, and then we got some more decluttering to do. Don't forget to check out the playlist. There's several other creators that have joined in this cleaning decluttering series, and don't forget to check out the host of this challenge, Sophia from My Great Challenge. Thanks guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.